Welcome to another how-to video. Our topic for today is all about how to change the font size and font style quickly in Microsoft Outlook. So first, let's open the Outlook app. As you can see, mine is already open. And the Outlook app, click the View tab, which is located at the top of the screen beside the Help tab. In the View tab, click Change View at the top of the screen beside the current view. While we are in the Change View tab, click Manage Views. While we are in a Manage All Views tab, click Modify. It's located at the right side of the Manage All Views screen. While we are in the Modify tab, click Other Settings. On the Other Settings tab, click Column Font. As you can see, these are the fonts that you want to use if you want to change the font size and styles. And it's up to you how to change your styles and fonts. After you change your font size and style, click OK. You can change the row font by clicking the row font. As you can see, this is the same process as the column font. You can edit the font size and styles in Message Review by clicking Font in the Message Review section. Same process as others for changing the fonts. After changing the font size and styles in the Other Settings tab, click OK. Now click OK again while you are in the Modify tab. Click OK again while you are in the Manage All Views tab. And that's it. You're done. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.